against the demons and angels. They fly around while we are walking for our emotion, just to please them. We're lighting our homes again, finding homes and meaning, becoming the stuff we be. Some distinct reminders of things that nobody cares about. And honestly, we're probably more suicidal than ever now. If you decide to live by what you think wrong and what's right, believe me, you'll make it the way you was even your moving, will keep it your bed and your pride. But to wake up every morning and decide what we believe, we can take it far at our very heart. The light will set us free. I am cold, and you, I will fly, no fear, and the ground on my way, coming as I sing, coming as I'm breathtaking. It's so degrading, it's time we're wasting, it's time will fly by, the sky will cry, this light is fading, and keep us waiting, oh so patiently while we repeat the same routine as we will please comfortability, to please think about why you can sleep in the evening, please don't be afraid of what your soul is really tingling, your soul knows good and evil, your soul knows both sides, and it's time you pick your battle, and I promise you this is mine. There's nowhere else in the world I'd rather be than right here playing music with you guys. This is your show.